Region 12, Saxargen. This chapter presents the major tourism destination areas of Saxargen region. The major discussion will be on access, health and safety issues, geographical characteristics, major attraction, gastronomy, and distinctive cultural attributes of the region relative to the development and promotion of tourism in the Philippines. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify the different major attraction activities, accommodation, and cultural highlights in the province with the Saxargen region. Create different tour package that carry different types of tourism activities within the region, and assess the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats of the region in terms of 4 As of tourism. Introduction. Saxargen is located in central Mindanao and is officially designated as Region 7. The regional center is Coronadal City, which is located in the province of South Cotabato. The region has extensive coastlines, valleys, and mountain ranges. Cotabato covers the Rio Grande, Mindanao, which is the longest river in Mindanao and the second longest in the Philippines. Saxargen stands for the regions, for province, and one of its cities. This is map. South Cotabato, North Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, General Santos City. Past facts. South Cotabato, capital, Coronadal City. Land area 442,246. Major industry, agriculture, livestock. 3. Number of cities, 1. Number of towns and municipalities, 10. Cotabato, capital, Tigapawan City. Land area 900,890. Major industry, rubber industry, agriculture, textile industry. Number of cities, 1. Number of towns and municipalities, 17. Sultan Kudarat, capital, Sulan. Land area 529,834. Agriculture, poultry, fishing, woodcraft, furniture. Number of cities, 1. Number of towns and municipalities, 11. Sarangani, capital, Alabel. Land area 360,125. Major industries, agriculture, fishing, mariculture, livestock. Number of cities, none. Number of towns and municipalities, 7. General Santos City, capital, none. Land area 53,606. Major industry, agriculture, fishing, commerce. Number of cities, none. Number of towns and municipalities, none. As you can see, ito yung mga pwede nyo sakyan kung gusto nyo mag-travel papunta sa mga lugar na yan. General Santos International Airport, Awang Airport, Cotabato City, via Macar Wharf, from Davao Airport. General Santos is the main entry point to the region by air. Major destinations are also accessible by land and SA. By air, General Santos International Airport is the main gateway to the region from Beirut International destination and domestic flights from Manila, Iloilo, and Cebu. Similarly, Awang Airport in Cotabato City is an alternative for domestic flights from Manila. By sea, Macar Wharf in General Santos is the main gateway to the region by sea travel. Ferry trips of approximately 36 hours from Manila stopped by Bacolod or Zamboanga before arriving at General Santos. By land, transit to the region from flights arriving in Davao can be made by land through buses that fly the Davao to General Santos road, 3 hours of travel time, and transit to Coronadal City, 45 minutes of travel time. Getting around, the common mode of transport service like bus and vans are the mode of transportation that travels to the regions, key cities, and provinces. The famous yellow bus has daily trips from General Santos to Coronadal City and other neighboring towns. Travel within municipalities is through public utility tricycles and motorcycles. Attraction and activities. South Cotabato, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Tibol Museum, Tiboli Cultural Community, Surala Cultural Landmark, Tinalak Waving Center. Natural attraction, Mount Matutum, Mount Parker Ranges, Lake Cebu, Seven Falls, Solcak Caves, Sokma Waterfalls, Mambukal Hot Spring. Built attraction, Dolly's Pineapple Plantation, Abira Farms, Cotabato. Cotabato, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Moncadista Community, Takumoy Butay Memorial Shrine, Tamuntaka Church, Fort Piquet. Natural attraction, Mount Apo National Park, New Israel Eco Park, Tabacan Cave, Tausuban Falls, Asiksik Falls, Rio Grande de Mindanao, Putang Bato Cave, Fullerton Hot Spring. Built attraction, Grand Old City Hall, the Grand Mosque, the People Place, Sultan Kudarat. Natural attraction, Balot Island, Lake Buluan, Limulan Falls, Calamansig White Sand. Built attraction, Sultan Kudarat Provincial Capital, Baras Big Sanctuary, Barangani, historical, cultural, and heritage attraction. Lamlipuyo Tribal Village Museum, Town of Maitum, Tampat Shrine, Century Old Houses, Sajil Cave, and Ayub Cave. Natural attraction, Whitewater River Tubing, Gumasa Beach, South Point Dive Spots, Nalos Falls, Bat Sanctuary, Calonbarak Skyline. Built attraction, Pawikan Nesting Center, Capital Park, Sarangani Golf and Country Club, IML Eco Park, Sapi Ranch, General Santos City. Historical, cultural, and heritage attraction, Japanese abandoned World War Bunker, Plaza General Santos. Natural attraction, Amiskong Falls, Kalahan Eco Park. Built attraction, Pacman Wild Guard Gym, Sarangani Highlands Garden, Jensen Fishport, Johnson Arcade, Peep Mountain Adventure Park. Food and delicacies, South Cotabato, Balbakwa, Nilaw, Laswa, Tilapia Cuisines, Native Chicken Adobo, Native Kuhol, Tiboli Coffee, Batchoy, Agihis, Sinigang sa Pakwan. Cotabato, Dragon Fruit, Pastil, Tinagtag, Apa, Baye-Baye, Native Chicken Barbecue, Deep Fried Dalag. Sultan Kudarat, Fried Catfish, Marang, Pastil, Durian, Kansi, Fresh Lumpia, Palabok, Native Chicken, Grilled Native Chicken, Bibingkang Kanin, Kokopia. Sarangani, Tinagtag, Tuna Poke, Rice Coffee, Nilut Onok, Bangsi, Tuna Crispy Chicharon, Spicy Beef. General Santos City, Grilled Tuna, Tuna Tacos, Chicken Skin, Lechon, Tuna Stick, Bagaybay, Bihod, Spicy Adobo, Bihod, Lato Salad, Salmon, Sashimi, Sardinas. Pasalubong sa Sargent Region, Organic Fruit Products, Passion Fruit Durian, Pineapple Guayabano, Trade Items, Hats, Skirts, Household Utensil, Handcrafts, Keychains, Bags, Native Decoration, Antiques, Kablon Pan Products, Pastil, Tinagtag, Bukayo, Seafood Products, Tinalak Fabric, Tiboli Beadsworks, Kalakat, Malong, Water Hyacinth, and Handcrafts. Festival and Special Events, South Cotabato. Ilubong Festival, November 9 to 11, celebrates the foundation anniversary of the municipality of Lake Cebu by showcasing their unique cultural identity and ethnicity. Linggong Matutum, March 13 to 20, in celebration of Mount Matumtum's declaration as a protected landscape. Kasadyahan Festival, September 1 to 11, a street dancing competition that serves a venue for the convergence of various ethnic and cultural dances. Tinalak Festival, July 16, to showcase the pride of South Cotabato, the art of waving tinalak. Kulintangtang Festival, January 27, to showcase the clay pots and ceramics made by local artisans and craftsmen of Tantangan, South Cotabato. Cotabato, Araw ng Cotabato, June 25 to 25, commemoration of the city's charter anniversary, Halad sa Centro Niño Festival, 3rd Sunday of January, held in honor of the town's patrons, Senior Centro Niño. Timpupu Festival, annual celebration during the month of August of the city of Kidapawan that features cultural shows, parade of local fruit products, exhibits, and street dancing. Tahiti Festival, August 13, to showcase local products made from Tahiti like soap blooms and various handicrafts. Kawayan Festival, first week of December, showcase lechon sa kawayan, bamboo exhibits, cultural shows, and various sports and events. Sultan Kudarat, Kalimudan Festival, November 21 to 22, celebrating the unity amidst diversity of the Manobos, Tirurais, and Tibolis of Sultan Kudarat. Talukudong Festival, September 18, showcases kudong or the traditional head covering worn by the early settlers of Sultan Kudarat. The highlights of the festival are the street dancing competition and their enactment of the giving of the golden kudong by Christian settlers to the Sultan of Buluan for peace and prosperity. Sarangani, Muna to Festival, November 18, a Thanksgiving festival to commemorate the foundation of the province. Sarangani Bay Festival, 3rd week of May, to promote the preservation of Sarangani Bay. Various activities were held such as beach sports events, water sports, mangrove planting, and coastal cleanups. General Santos City, Kalilangan Festival, February 22 to 27, a week-long celebration of city's founding anniversary by showcase its dynamic cultural and heritage. Jensen Eco Carrera, September, an adventure race competition to showcase and promote various ecotourism destinations in the city. Tuna Festival, September 1 to 5, to showcase their world-famous product, tuna. Major cultural groups. The basic culture is dry cultivation of food plants including rice, corn, sugar cane, banana, and root crops. Cultural change is an advanced stage. The groups are organized under a local deity who has autonomous authority over an area where he has personal influence. Said position is hereditary and assumed by the firstborn in case of death. Major industries. The region major industries include agriculture and tuna fishing. General Santos is dubbed as the tuna capital of the Philippines. Agricultural products such as coconut, cassava, coffee, sugarcane, and banana are dominant. Is Sacsayhuaman, DTIND. Language and dialect: Tiboli, Bilaan, Cotabato, Manobo, Tagbanwa, Ilagaynon, Maguindanao. Tagalog and English are used in the region. Travel trivia: in 2017, Sacsayhuaman used Sacs as the region's moniker for its tourism promotions, using the tagline "Sacs is next." It is attempted to draw attention to the tourist attraction of the region as the next top destination choice for travelers. In South Cotabato, the Tiboli Sport produced a dream-inspired and spirit-infused tinalak wavings. A handful of Tiboli women pulled dream weavers whose design and patterns, products of the Philippines, are inspired by their dreams produce the inalak, one of the most unique cultural. My travel diary. Lake Cebu, a first-class municipality in South Cotabato, is the vast area bounded by a number of mountains and hills surrounded by lush trees of different kinds and various bodies of water. It serves as home to several tales of nature, a witness to evolution of culture from one generation to another. And lastly, a venue of adventure. One of the municipality's major ecotourist destinations is Lake Cebu. Having the exact same name as the municipality, it is known for its tranquil charm that draws in someone who is looking for peace and calmness in a place. Another noteworthy experience in Lake Cebu is learning from and actually getting involved in the rich culture of the Tiboli, an indigenous tribe which can be found in various areas of South Cotabato. Aside from nature and culture combined, Lake Cebu also proudly offers adventure, a watershed comprising of 7 different waterfalls coming from the outflows of the lake. Automatically became an attraction because of its natural appeal and sense of thrill. The trip was ended worth taking and exploring, even though for some it may not even ring a bell. A mixture of nature, culture, and adventure, Lake Cebu certainly has its own incomparable charm that makes it a must-visit destination. There will always be some places you visit which will leave a mark on you and you and I must say Lake Cebu is definitely one of those.